little chefs. I'm Chef Giggles. Are you ready to bake some yummy cakes while learning shapes and colors? Let's go. Here's the cake we're going to bake today. Look closely. Can you remember the shapes and colors? Say it with me. Green circle, blue circle, and strawberries. Let's start with the bottom layer. What shape and color should we choose? Green circle or red square? Can you point to the green circle? Did you point to the green circle? That's right. You're a smart baker. Oven time. Let's bake it. Now, the middle layer. Can you remember what's next? What's the shape and color? Blue circle or yellow rectangle? Yes, the blue circle. Oven time. Let's bake it. Only one more to go. The top layer. Are those red strawberries or yellow banana? Red strawberries. You got it. You're the best helper ever. Let's use the red strawberries as toppings. Let's stack all the layers. Ready? Wow. Look at that beautiful cake. Green circle, blue circle, red strawberries, all in the right order. Here's the cake we're going to bake today. Look closely. Can you remember the shapes and colors? Say it with me. Blue square, yellow square, blueberries. Let's start with the bottom layer. What shape and color should we choose? Blue square or orange star? Can you point to the blue square? Did you point to the blue square? That's right. You're a smart baker. Oven time. Let's bake it. Now, the middle layer. Can you remember what's next? What's the shape and color? Yellow square or green rectangle? Yes, the yellow square. Oven time. Let's bake it. Only one more to go. The top layer. Are those blueberries or red cherries? You got it. Those are blueberries. You're the best helper ever. Let's use the blueberries as toppings. Let's stack all the layers. Ready? Wow. Look at that beautiful cake. Blue square, yellow square, blueberries. All in the right order. Here's the cake we're going to bake today. Look closely. Can you remember the shapes and colors? Say it with me. Purple heart, orange heart, red candles. Let's start with the bottom layer. What shape and color should we choose? Is the bottom layer of the cake a purple heart or orange triangle? Can you point to the correct one? Yes, you are right. It's the purple heart. Yes. Batter getting ready. Into the oven it goes. Great job. Now, the middle layer. Can you remember what's next? What's the shape and color? Purple star or orange heart? Yes, the orange heart. Yes. Batter getting ready. Into the oven it goes. Great job. Only one more to go. The top layer. Are those red candles or blue candles? You are smart. Those are red candles. Let's keep the red candles on the top of the cake. Let's stack all the layers. Ready? Wow. Look at that beautiful cake. Purple heart, orange heart, red candles. All in the right order. Let's see what shapes we have learned so far. Circle, square, triangle, rectangle, heart, star. This is a circle. Can you say circle? Clock, ball, wheel. All are circles. A circle has no corners and no straight sides. It goes round and round. This is a square. Let's say square. It has 4 sides that are all the same and 4 corners. Can you find something that looks like a square in your room? Chessboard, carom board, and a square table are all in square shape in my room. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Examples: flag, anchor, music triangle instrument. This is a rectangle. Is there any objects in rectangle around you? It has 4 sides, but 2 are long and 2 are short. I have a TV, rectangular window, and few photos frames, all in rectangle shape. This is a star. A star shape has pointy arms and looks like a twinkling star in the sky. A star-shaped cookie cutter. Twinkling star in the Christmas tree. A heart shape looks like 2 round bumps at the top and a point at the bottom. We have a heart-shaped cookie, a heart balloon, and heart-shaped pillow. Let's recall the colors we learned by finding the colors all around us. Can you say the names with me? Red. Can you shout red? What's red and sweet to eat? Yes. Apples, strawberries, and even tomatoes. Now let's find something green in the kitchen. Can you say green? Green! Broccoli, pear, lettuce all are in green color. Say blue. Do you know anything that's in blue color? Yes. Blueberries, blue whale, blue jeans. Yellow is such a bright color. Say it with me. Yellow. What's yellow and shines in the sky? The sun? Yes. Banana and sunflower are also yellow in color. Let's say purple. Ready? Purple. Do you know a fruit, a vegetable, and a flower that's purple? Yes. Grapes, eggplant, and lavender flower. Next is orange. Say it loud. Orange. What fruit is also called orange? An orange. You got it. Carrot and basketball are also orange in color. This is white. Bright and pure. Can you know something that is white in color? Yes. Milk, jasmine flower, and a polar bear. This is black. Shout black. Bat, sunglasses, and an umbrella are all back in color. Brown is the color of chocolate or horse. It looks warm and earthy. Do you have a brown teddy bear? This is gray. Gray is a mix of white and black. Do you know any animals which are gray in color? Yes. Elephant, dolphin, and koala are gray in color. Gold is a shiny yellow color that looks rich and royal. Examples: a gold medal, a trophy. Good jewelry like ring. Silver is a shiny gray color that sparkles like metal. What silver things do you use at home? A spoon, silver jewelry, a silver chain. Once again, say the name of the colors with me. Let's say it loud. red, green, blue, yellow, purple, orange, white, black, brown, gray, gold, and silver. You did it. You helped me bake the perfect shape and color cake. Do you want to bake more cakes with shapes and colors? Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time, little bakers. Bye-bye.